This time we'll be installing Laravel Boost, a package that will help us with the development of our code. It acts as a custom MCP server written from the Laravel team, which will be used from our AI chatbot while developing code. It can expose different interesting tools written directly from the creators of Laravel, in this way helping the chatbots to execute commands and be more accurate when performing actions, debugging, and suggesting code optimizations. There are 3 steps that you need to take while installing the server. The first one is to require the package. Afterwards, you need to run the server. And the third one is to update your chatbot and to place some information about this newly created MCP server inside of its settings. So as you can see here, we're having one command that will be run, vendor bin sale, which will start artisan boost MCP. And then this MCP server will be used from Gemini Code Assist. If you are not using sale, you can just provide a path towards PHP in the command, and then it will run PHP artisan boost MCP. The point is when you go to your chatbot, here, for example, Gemini Code Assist, and type /MCP to see at least 15 available tools. If you see 0, you might try to run vendor bin sale or PHP artisan boost MCP in the command prompt and try to type something. If you see some output, this means that you are correctly set up and you just need to restart probably Visual Studio Code. If you're under sale development, you can first with podman ps list all the available containers and look for the .test container. When you have the name of the container, you can use podman exec -it and then the name of the container, and again PHP artisan boost MCP to check whether it works. If Laravel Boost is not installed, you just need to run the 2 steps. Again, the name of the container, composer require Laravel Boost, and the second one, PHP artisan boost install. Also interesting thing to notice is when the installation finishes correctly, we can see that we have one file which is called gemini.md. Inside of there, you can find a lot of rules that also the chatbot will take into account. Those rules and best practices are again from the creators of Laravel. And here you can see that we are having predefined versions of Laravel, PHP, and other tools based on what we have installed on our machine. This, combined with the best practices, will ensure that the AI agent will provide us with very relevant information. It also will have access to the different CLI tools that Laravel provides, as well as information on how to work if the framework runs under a container. As you can see, in order practically to use the tool, for example in Gemini Code Assist, if you type /MCP, you can see that you have at least 15 tools provided additionally from Laravel Boost, and all those tools, if you make a simple query, you see that they will be used and will be served with a more accurate information. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you.